I like to drive. I like to eat apples in breakfast. I like to go to cycling in rain. I like to go hiking on the weekend. I like to play with my dog. I like to travel to beautiful places. I like to play video games. I like to play football. I like to splash in a pool. I like to help my mom washing dishes. I like to ride a bicycle with my friend. I like to climb mountains. I like to jump on a trampoline. I like to eat mangoes. I like to watch cartoon on TV with my brother. I like to knit. I like to go to the gym. I like to go to shopping. I like to go on a picnic. I like to spend time with my family. I like to go to the beach. I like to cook new recipes. I like to listen to music. I like to play hide and seek with my friends. I like to play video games with my sister. I like to play carom board. I like to ride a horse. I like to read books in my free time. I like to learn about human body. I like to go fishing with my grandfather. I like to go to the museum. I like to decorate my room. I like to go to amusement parks. I like to watch the sunset at the beach. I like to ride a boat. I like to go to the forest. I like to practice yoga.